Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, coming to you with another little quickie video. This is a post review of crystalcanvas.usa. I did this one a while ago if you were watching my channel, and this is Robin Mead's artwork. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? It is 100% crystal. Absolutely gorgeous, round. The black is matte though, it's not crystal. But these are stunning. Look at that sparkle. I do want to show you most of the symbols, very clear to see. None are quite the same with a color background. Very easy for me to work on. Also, my leftover drills, I did keep them in the baggies. This was a quickie for me because it was round and it was a 40 by 40. But there are tons of leftovers that I can use to bling up other canvases that I have. Just stunning, stunning colors. Absolutely beautiful. I love the stick. The glue was perfect. The symbols were perfect. I had plenty of drills to work on. It's stunning. It's a stunning piece. Usually you may struggle with the different color palettes when it comes to crystals because there aren't as many. There's about 45 to 48 crystal colors versus our, 436 plus DMC colors. However, it turned out beautifully. Turned out gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Would buy it. Highly recommend it. Race over. They're having a sale right now. You buy two, you get one for $10 and it's free shipping. Run over to crystalcanvas.usa. Order yours today. Sign up for their Facebook group. They do a lot of contests and updates. I also want to show you a little sneak peek I'm working on. Full square from the same artist, Robin Mead. I'll be doing a post review on this, letting you know how the square crystals worked out. So love you all. Hope you like this little quick post review. And I would love to hear what you're working on and how you're enjoying your paintings tonight. Take care. Bye-bye.